Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all keeping well. Well, it's exciting, it's new kit time, and you know when I get new kit I always like to unbox it with you and show you what I've got and keep you updated. So yeah, it is MacBook Air Day. Absolutely fantastic, really exciting. I've had my MacBook Pro 10 years and it is a dinosaur now. As you know, I have to use a battery pack constantly pitch side. My MacBook Pro just won't operate on its own in cold conditions. Not quite so bad in the summer, so I've melted my credit card and I've got a new MacBook Air. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get the box open and have a look what's inside. Right, let's have a look, let's get it opened. Let's get these seals off. Ho-ho! Chuck them away. Right, what have we got? Now I've gone for the midnight blue, so let's see what it looks like. Put the box there. Oh yeah, haha! That is nice, look at that. I don't know if you can really see the colours of it. But yeah, if I just, yeah, it's focusing on it all right, but yeah, it's a nice dark deep blue anyway. I've gone for the blue because the silver, it just in and out my bag twice, 3 times a week, it gets lots of scratches. So I thought if I get a dark colour, it might last a bit longer. But yeah, so we've gone, and it seems to be the craze to get the midnight blue. So what else have we got? Let's put that down there, see what else we got. So we've got the leaflet, we've got midnight blue charger cable, and it's on the MagSafe again. They've kept with the MagSafe, so that's good. I mean, this is going to be, I've seen some review videos and they're comparing it to the M3. Well, I'm comparing it to a dinosaur, a 2015 MacBook Pro, so it's bound to be excellent spec compared to what I'm used to. But yeah, we've got the, let's get that, we've got the plug as well, smaller plug, like the old, well, like a mobile phone plug really. So yeah, so smaller plug, and that's it, that's the box empty. But yeah, so what we got in the pack, so we got, let's get that the right way round, look, get that like that, we've got the book, and that's it, that's all, that's all that's in the book, in the box. But yeah, right, let's have a look at it. Yeah, so MagSafe, that's just the job that is. You can't go wrong with MagSafe really. I think you can charge it on the USB-Cs as well. So what we got, so we've got, that's one nice thing that we have got, if you can see that. Is it going to focus on that? There we are, look. You've got the jack plug still for the headphones, so that's good, because sometimes I forgot my Bluetooth headset before, my Bluetooth earbuds at a game, when I know that the game's on the radio live. So I've always got my jack earphones, the old-fashioned lead, in my bag, so at least I know I can still plug it in if anything, if all else fails and my Bluetooth goes flat or whatever. But so we got that. We've got 2 USB-Cs, can we see them? Yeah, 2 USB-Cs there as well. And right, let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. Hey up. She's opening up. Looks like slightly bigger mouse pad, so that looks good. Let's just turn that brightness down on the on this a bit, because it looks a little bit bright. Let's turn that down. Now that's better. That looks better, doesn't it? That's better. That's better. Yeah, so keys look the same, symbols are a bit different, but yeah, I mean the most exciting thing about this is the M4 chip. It is going to be so much faster, absolutely brilliant. There's no fan in it either, so you know it's just going to be nice not be able to not having to rely on my battery pack. But yeah, they reckon that the M3, I mean again I'm comparing it to an M3, was 15 hours battery life with normal use. This is 18 hours battery life, so I'm going to notice one heck of a difference with the battery. And yeah, it looks really nice, and I tell you what, really good price as well, because I'll tell you there's a story to this. I actually purchased the M3 and then a week later Apple went and launched the M4. Bad research on my part. So I sent the M3 back, saved myself 100 quid, it's £100 cheaper, so this was £11.99, the M3 was £12.99, so yeah, so I've saved £100 and I've got an M4 chip as well, so yeah, absolutely fantastic speeds they are, and I can't wait. 4K, 8K. I mean, I'm never going to do 8K, but I'm really keen to get on with doing vlogs on 4K. You know, I can pull in better, not lose any quality at all in the video. I can, you know, it's going to be able to handle raw images so much better. And you know, on the R5 that I shoot on, when I do my landscapes, this laptop will be able to handle with raw files absolutely no problem at all. And also when I'm editing my images together, my images and my video together, or, you know, clipping all my videos together for the vlogs that you guys see, it sometimes slows down when I'm putting, you know, images. I have to reduce the images right down to about 1.5 meg so that it doesn't buffer when I'm editing the videos in Premiere Pro. So again, this M4 chip is going to handle it so easy. So I've actually gone for the 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, 16 gig processor, 512 gig storage, SSD storage. That's the second in the line, that's the second model up at $1199. You can get a cheaper basic MacBook Air. Now that's 10-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 16 gig unified memory and 256 gig SSD storage. I've gone for the second one, obviously a bit more storage and hopefully a little bit faster at handling my 4K video. That's the plan anyway. But yeah, so just running down the spec of this, it's the 16 core neural engine, 13.6 retina display. Now I know that that's probably not as spec'd up as a 2025 MacBook Pro. I mean, I have read that, you know, phenomenal results with that display, but I'm sure I'm not going to notice, well, I'm going to notice a lot of difference between this and my 2015 MacBook Pro, but as goes editing, I'm going to notice an improvement on this screen, and I'm sure it'll be more than capable of helping me with my edits and my Premiere Pro editing. So yeah, I can't wait to get cracking with that. 12 megapixel webcam camera as well, so that's going to be great for my online tuition that I do. I know some of you guys have had some photography tuition, you know, one-to-one sessions, so that 12 meg webcam is going to be fantastic on this. Can't wait to use that, get using that. Obviously I've mentioned the MagSafe charging port, same as before, so that'll be okay, so that's not a problem. 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. You can use up to 2 external screens on this. They've got support for that, so that's fantastic. Magic keyboard with Touch ID. That's going to be something new for me to look into. That's just on here, so that looks quite a cool new addition to what I'm used to. Force Touch trackpad, and it's obviously got the USB-C power port adapter. So yeah, so cannot wait to get cracking with it. I'm going to try and get Photoshop, FileZilla, well, all the software, Premiere Pro on it, and a bit of Lightroom and Photo Mechanic, get cracking, and absolutely no worries that this is going to be slow. So yeah, I cannot wait to get cracking, and yeah, really excited. And let's just look at the colour again. I don't know if it's quite getting it there. Look, my mucky fingerprints on it already, look, but yeah, absolutely fantastic. And yeah, I cannot wait to get cracking with that. So anyway, just thought I'd keep you up to date. Hopefully next I'll be unboxing a new camera, but more of that to come. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Oh, and if you've got any questions on this, because I am going to run another review on it. Obviously I'm going to get everything loaded up on it, and then I'm going to run through a few programs, show you just how super sharp it is and super fast it is compared to my MacBook Pro. Anyway, I'll go through some editing suites and bits and bobs and show you how quick it is with my raw images and 4K. Can't wait to get 4K started on it. And yeah, so if you've got any questions that you want me to look into, pop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to try and answer them and show you guys what it is that you need to know. And yeah, I'm going to run another video on it in 2 or 3 weeks time once I've got to grips with it, show you just how fast it is pitch side and just at home editing on Premiere Pro. Yeah, and I'll get another video up. So yeah, look forward to your comments. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Take care. Job's a good one.